Let's look at how you'd set restrictions for your exams. We'll start by going to the class schedule page. Choose your assignment and select this blue button next to the assignment you'd like to edit the restrictions for and choose Edit Restrictions. Within this window, you'll notice there's a variety of options for you. You can password protect the assignment, set a specific password students will need to enter in order to get in. You can restrict it to a specific IP address. This would require them to use a testing center or specific place you'd like them to take the exam. You can require a lockdown browser, as well as make it a timed exam where you would choose how long people have to take the exam. Do notice there is a button for extra time for specific students. This is where you would allow certain students to have extra time should they need it. You can also choose to drop security and time restrictions after a specific date. Usually you may do this after the due date. That way students can go back in and review their work. There's also the option for conditional release and group work in this window. Don't forget to save.